There is some mold on the T111 plywood siding that I want to paint. I put 3 parts water to 1 part bleach in a tank sprayer. You can also add some detergent if you wish, but nothing that contains ammonia and bleach make a poisonous gas. If cleaning vinyl siding, pressure washing may void the warranty. It can cause water intrusion, water damage, or discoloration. If the siding manufacturer is known, consult the installation instructions. Here's a do-it-yourself mildew cleaner from CertainTeed. Bleach is destructive to some materials and may damage a sprayer not designed to dispense it. Last fall I used a bleach solution to clean some 65-year-old asbestos siding. It did a pretty good job. I could reach the 2nd story with the sprayer by standing on an 8-foot ladder. After I sprayed the siding with the solution, I waited a few minutes and then just hosed it down with plain water. If there's plants below the area that you're cleaning, douse them with water and keep them wet, or better yet, cover them up to protect them from the bleach. Protect your eyes with goggles. Wear old clothing. The bleach solution could spot it. It's an overcast autumn day. There's no strong sun to quickly dry up the solution. I made a PVC spray wand that connects to a garden hose. I've allowed the solution to soak for about 5 minutes. It's done a pretty good job. Let's give the PVC wand a try. That did an okay job, not as good as the brush, not as fast, and there's a lot of backsplash that came back on me. I could make another end cap with maybe 4 or 5 holes. It would cover a bigger area. And that concludes the demonstration of cleaning wood siding with a bleach and water solution. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos, and thanks for watching.